Hi. So I went downstairs and I grabbed the package from Purple Alien. Actually, I'm gonna unbox it in front of you guys because I'm super excited. I know that I've got in here a Lucky Charms cereal bar, which is their limited edition this month. But then they threw in a mystery cereal bar. And I'm super excited. So, let's do it. I've been sick of, taking the pain pills. Come on. And the edibles that I got didn't do anything for me. So I'm excited to see. Ooh. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That looks like Captain Crunch berries. This is a really nice package. I'm so excited about this. I definitely need to send a little present their way as well. And they're each vacuum sealed so they stay super fresh. Since I hate when people do this, you can't read text, so let me. This thing looks so good. And then other one. Okay. This one is, Captain Crunch Berries Bar. 1,000 milligrams of Delta 8. I've never had Delta 8 before, and people have been recommending that I try it. Okay. I think that I don't know which one I want to eat. And obviously I don't know how much I should eat. Like, is the conversion rate the same for Delta 8 as THC? Shit, I'm gonna go look that up before I start chowing down on these. But they look amazing. Once I've got them open, I will definitely take another video of me chowing down. Thank you, guys. Sorry. I'm so excited. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Purple Alien. Purple Alien edibles. I'm ready. I'm so excited.